What if the camera in your pocket was actually better than the bulky professional setup in your backpack? This is the question everyone is asking right now. For years, we have accepted a trade-off. If you wanted a small camera, you had to accept bad image quality. If you wanted great image quality, you had to carry a heavy mirrorless camera and a gimbal. But the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is trying to kill that trade-off forever. The rumors are no longer just whispers. The launch day is coming. This camera represents a massive leap in what a small device can do. It is not just a minor update. It is a total rethink of what an action camera is supposed to be. The heart of this revolution is the sensor. Most action cameras use tiny sensors. These sensors are fine when you are outside in the bright sun. But as soon as you go indoors or the sun starts to set, the footage falls apart. It gets grainy. The colors get muddy. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to feature a 1-inch class sensor. This is a game changer. A 1-inch sensor is massive compared to what we usually see. It allows the camera to drink in light. Think of it like a bigger window in a dark room. More light means more information. More information means better video. This sensor puts the Ace Pro 3 into a premium category. It is the same kind of sensor you would find in high-end compact cameras that cost twice as much. With this sensor, your footage will look professional. You will see cleaner shadows. You will see richer colors. The transition from bright highlights to dark shadows will be smooth. It won't look like digital video. It will look like cinema. For a long time, action cameras were just for action. You used them for surfing or biking. You didn't use them for a cinematic travel vlog. But with a sensor this big, the Ace Pro 3 becomes a primary camera. It becomes the camera you reach for first. You don't tolerate the quality because it's small. You choose the quality because it's great. This is the first step in replacing the mirrorless camera for many creators. But the sensor is only half of the story. The resolution is the other half. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second. Now, some people say 8K is overkill. They say nobody has an 8K TV. But they are missing the point. You don't shoot 8K just to watch it in 8K. You shoot 8K for the flexibility it gives you later. When you have that many pixels, you can crop in. You can zoom in on a face or an object and still have perfect 4K quality. If your framing was a little bit off, you can fix it in the edit. It acts as a safety net. You never have to worry about missing the shot because you weren't pointed exactly at the right spot. Adding 60 frames per second to 8K is a massive technical feat. Most cameras can only do 8K at 24 or 30 frames. By jumping to 60, Insta360 is giving you the ability to do slow motion in 8K. This is unheard of in this price range. Imagine filming a fast-moving car or a mountain biker. You can slow that footage down and it stays perfectly sharp. It doesn't get blurry. It doesn't lose detail. For travel vloggers, this is a dream. You can capture a moment and decide how you want it to look later. You have the freedom to be creative without being limited by the hardware. Then we have to talk about stabilization. High resolution means nothing if the footage is shaking. In the past, cameras had to crop into the image to make it stable. They would cut off the edges of your video to balance the movement. This made the image look zoomed in and lower quality. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to push flow state stabilization to a new level. It uses advanced gyroscopic data. It uses predictive algorithms. It doesn't just react to movement, it predicts it. The result is footage that looks like it was shot on a professional gimbal. You can run, jump, or ride a bike over rocks, and the horizon stays level. The footage stays smooth. This level of stabilization changes how you move. You don't have to walk carefully like a ninja. You can just live your life and trust the camera. It makes your setup much lighter. You don't need to carry extra equipment. You don't need a heavy gimbal that takes 5 minutes to balance. You just turn the camera on and go. This is what makes it a creator tool. It removes the friction between having an idea and capturing it. It makes professional-looking video accessible to anyone. You don't need a film crew. You just need this one device in your hand. Finally, we have to look at how all these pieces work together in low light. This has always been the weakness of small cameras. At night, they usually become useless. But the Ace Pro 3 combines that big sensor with new AI processing. The AI scans the footage as you record. It identifies digital noise and cleans it up. It keeps the details sharp while making the shadows look dark and deep instead of gray and grainy. This means you can keep filming after the sun goes down. You can film in a dark restaurant or on a city street at night. The camera handles it easily. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creators who don't just work in the daylight. Now we have to look at what makes the Ace Pro 3 more than just a camera. It is really a creator tool. This is where the next generation of AI features comes into play. In the past, the hardest part of being a YouTuber wasn't shooting the video. It was the hours spent sitting at a computer afterward. You had to look through miles of footage to find the 3 seconds where something actually happened. The Ace Pro 3 wants to end that. It is rumored to feature an auto-highlight assistant. This AI brain works while you are shooting. It can recognize when you are smiling, when you are moving fast, or when the scenery is beautiful. It marks those moments for you automatically. By the time you get home and connect the camera to your phone, the app has already picked out the best shots. It can even stitch them together into a highlight reel with music and transitions. For daily creators who need to post every day, this is a massive win. It lets you spend more time living your life and less time staring at a screen. But the AI does not stop at editing. It also makes the actual shooting easier. There are rumors of a new intelligent subject tracking system. If you are a solo creator, this is like having a cameraman in your pocket. You can set the camera down, walk in front of it, and the AI will keep you perfectly centered in the frame. Even if you move around or the scene gets chaotic, the camera knows exactly where you are. This is combined with AI-powered noise reduction. Usually, if you film in a crowded place or a windy area, your audio is ruined. But the Ace Pro 3 uses internal algorithms to separate your voice from the background noise. It cleans up the sound in real time. This means you don't always need to carry an external microphone. You can just grab the camera and start talking. It makes the whole process of vlogging feel much more natural and spontaneous. Action cameras have always had one big enemy: heat. When you record in high resolutions like 8K, the processor gets very hot. In older cameras, this led to the thermal shutdown. Your camera would just turn off in the middle of a shoot. But for the Ace Pro 3, Insta360 has redesigned the internal cooling system. They have used a more efficient 5nm AI chip that generates less heat. They have also improved the body design to vent heat more effectively. This allows for longer recording times even at the highest settings. You can finally record a long mountain bike run or a full travel segment without worrying about the camera failing you. And when the battery does run low, the fast charging capabilities are a lifesaver. You can get a massive boost in power in just a few minutes. This is perfect for travel days when you only have a short break to plug in before heading to the next location. The physical design of the camera has also seen some major upgrades. The famous flip screen is back, but it is better than ever. It is rumored to be a 2.5-inch screen that is much brighter. This is crucial for outdoor creators. If you are standing in the middle of a sunny field, you need to be able to see yourself to frame the shot. The new screen is visible even in direct sunlight. It is also built to be more rugged. The hinge is stronger, so you don't have to worry about it snapping off during intense use. Speaking of ruggedness, the waterproofing has been improved as well. You can now take the camera deeper without needing a special case. This makes it a great choice for snorkeling or surfing. You just jump in the water and start filming. It feels like the camera was built to be used in the real world, not just in a studio. There are also smaller features that make a big difference in daily use. The wind noise reduction is now aided by a physical wind guard that you can snap on and off. This is a simple solution to a problem that has bothered creators for years. The mounting system is still magnetic, which is one of the best things about the Insta360 ecosystem. You can move the camera from a chest mount to a selfie stick in seconds. You don't have to unscrew anything. This speed is what allows you to get creative angles that you would normally skip because they take too much work. The Ace Pro 3 encourages you to try new things because it doesn't get in your way. So, who is this camera really for? The Ace Pro 3 is not trying to compete with cheap budget cameras. It is aimed at the hybrid creator. These are the people who need professional results, but don't want to carry 10 pounds of gear. It is for the travel filmmaker who needs to fit their whole studio in a small bag. It is for the adventure athlete who needs a camera that is tougher than they are. Most importantly, It is for the YouTuber who wants to focus on storytelling rather than technical settings. By moving the focus from hardware to software and AI, Insta360 is changing the philosophy of filmmaking. They are making it so the technology disappears, leaving only your creativity. In the end, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 represents a shift in the entire industry. For a long time, GoPro was the only name in the game. But now, the competition is forcing everyone to innovate. This camera is a statement. It says that the future of video isn't just about more pixels. It is about smarter pixels. It is about a camera that understands what you are trying to film and helps you do it better. If the rumors about the price and the launch date are true, this will be the most important camera release of the year. It forces us to ask if we really need those big, expensive mirrorless setups for most of our work. For many of us, the answer might be no. The Ace Pro 3 is proof that the best camera is the one that lets you create without limits.